This is going to be a look at how to do the Excel part of Mod 2 assignment in Google Sheets. First, you want to import the Excel data into the sheets. So open Sheets, create a new or open an existing spreadsheet. Click File, Import, then choose the Excel file that you've downloaded onto your computer that was given to you. Choose an import option, create a new sheet, or insert new sheets. You're going to just create a new sheet. Click Import Data and then Open. And then this is what you should see. Okay, this is all the data all the way down. Now, what you want to do is, let's say we want to do East, North, Central. I'm just going to select, I'm going to create a random. I'm going to type in random here. And then I'm going to create a random number, just like you would in Excel. I would write A-N-D, and then open and close parentheses. And let me see, tools. Um, and then I'm going to click on there. You see the little dot in the lower right hand corner with the big fat plus sign. I'm going to drag down until I get to the end of East, North, Central, right there. And there's all my random numbers. Now I'm going to take the region here and I'm going to copy it onto a separate sheet so that I don't have to deal with all the rest. Now for project 4, you're going to use the whole kit and caboodle here. But for this, I'm just going to use the one. I'm going to Control C. I'm going to click the plus sign to add another sheet. And I'm going to put the sheet in here. Now, at this point, I need to mix these all up. So I need to randomize them. So what you're going to do is you're going to select not the headings, but just the raw numbers and values that are here. You're going to highlight those all, drag your mouse down, highlight them all the way down to the end. And then you will go to insert, and you're going to insert a chart. Sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. What I want to do is sort. So I'm going to edit, view, format, data, sort. And I'm going to do sort range. Not sort sheet, but short range. And I'm going to choose advanced range sorting options. That's a little bit different from what was described in Excel. And I'm going to choose column G to sort by. And then I'm going to sort. And that's going to mix them all up. Now I only need the values for the first 30, which will go from 2 to 31. And I'm going to copy those just over here. And that's all I'm going to be working with. Okay. Here I don't need the random number anymore, so I can delete that. Now you can do your calculations. You can do your mean. That's equal average. And this is going to be these numbers here. What did I do here? Error. I picked up something equal. Oh, it lost the average. Equal average. And then parentheses. And then select the numbers. Close the parentheses. Enter. Median. You could do the median the same way. Equals median and equals standard deviation. Now, to do the graph, what you want to do is you want to insert a chart, and this is just garbage, so you can't use that particular one. But what you can do is take the quickest and easiest way to make the chart is to take the listing price and copy it next to the square footage and then highlight the two together. That's the quickest and easiest way I know of getting the chart. And then you're going to do insert chart, and there's going to be your chart. And from there, you can click on the dots and you can add a trend line. Now, to get the equation, you need the slope and you need the y-intercept to write the equation. And so the formulas are equal slope you must write the y first for the slope. So that's going to be these numbers. Don't pick up the title. Oops, what do we do here? Slope. Oh, sorry. The slope, comma, and then the square footage. So slope has to come first. And there's your slope, and your y-intercept then is going to be equal intercept, I-N-T-E-R-C-E-P-T, and you're going to pick up the same two. You're going to pick up the list price, and then you're going to pick up the square footage, comma, and enter, and there's your two pieces. So the equation is going to be y equals 109.37 x plus 43,852. So that's how you're going to do this in Sheets. Okay? Thank you.